As a nursing student, you need to gain the knowledge and skills to be ready to practice with confidence and safety. At USF Skills Lab, you will be able to practice to become a confident, safe, and knowledgeable nurse. One key nursing competency and challenge is medication management. Giving medications can be risky. The wrong medication or dosage can have fatal consequences on the patients and their health. In hospitals and clinics, registered nurses are responsible for providing medications to their assigned patients, and thanks to new technology, the process has changed. Professor Janice Mark explained.
Before we had the Pyxis machines on the nursing units, we would have medication carts, and those would not be locked. And so anybody could go up to the cart and open up the door, whether there's a nurse or maybe a nurse's aide or a housekeeper. And so we wouldn't know who would be taking medications out. So this provides security.
Thanks to technology like the Pyxis machines, nurses do not have to guess the medication or dosage, and medication mistakes have definitely decreased. As a USF nursing student, you will learn to use the Pyxis machines and gain competitive advantage. Professor Marks explains how the process works.
Usually at the beginning of the shift, the nurse will have some information about the patient. They may already have some information in the electronic health record as to what medications the patient has. That electronic health record talks to the Pyxis machine because this is all computerized. So they are able to, look remotely what medications are being taken out and what drawers need to have refilled. So usually I would say once a day, they would come up, a pharmacist will come up with the medications, they'll come up and then they will refill the medication.
We asked Professor Mark, can we return medication to the Pyxis machine?
Medication that happens, sometimes we go take medications out, the patient refuses it, so then it has the ability for us to return the medication as well.
Professor Marks provides Pyxis machine details.
It has different sizes, and some of the drawers is open, so I'll have different cassettes and different spaces, and it just open up and we would just find, and it's all located by, it'll have a grid. It'll say like C8, so we know to look in C8. Some drawers has a little locked door, so it will only go up to that space and open up that door. That would be the narcotics. And then there's spaces down below for bigger medications, maybe IV medications, so much bigger ones. So it'll open up the larger doors down there. So it fits all different kinds of medications.
As a USF nursing student, you have access to the Skills Lab where you will gain the knowledge and be able to practice medication management to become a confident and safe nurse professional.